Hi, year 13th. We are doing level 3 differentiation question 3D 2022. Find the x values of any stationary points on the graph of the function this and determine their nature. So to find stationary point, you have to differentiate and set it 0. You know that, eh? Stationary point means local max or local mean or a point of inflection. Okay, point of inflection means, say I have a cubic, so this is local max and local mean, right? So in between, so actually concave down and concave up, so the middle point of concave down and up is called the point of inflection. So say I have a y equals x cubed. So when you have first derivative, you can spot point of inflection, but not always. Second derivative, the function of second derivative is to determine whether that's a local max or mean or point of inflection. So if it is a positive, that means local mean minimum, right? If it is negative, that's local max. And if it is 0, that means point of inflection. Okay, that will help, eh? So now, before we differentiate this, I'm gonna change this to 3x minus 1 to the power of negative 1. Yeah, that way it's easier. So y prime equals 9, minus 2 is gone, and that is minus 3x minus 1 to the power of negative 2 times the derivative of inner is a 3, isn't it? So if I rewrite this, 9 minus 9 over 3x minus 1 squared, and we have to set this one 0 to find any stationary points. So 9 over 3x minus 1 squared equals 9. That means 3x minus 1 squared equals 1, isn't it? 3x minus 1 must be plus minus square root of 1, which is just 1. When I take a positive 1, 3x equals 2, hence x equals 2 over 3. And when I take negative 1, that means 3x equals 0, hence x equals 0, right? So we've got two stationary points, and we will find out which one is what. So we have to do second derivative, right? I'm gonna use this. So 9, isn't it? So when I differentiate that, I get 18 3x minus 1 to the power of negative 3 times by inner. The derivative of inner is a 3. So when I multiply, 54 over 3x minus 1 cubed, isn't it? So now we have to plug each number into this expression. So y, second derivative of y. So when x is a 2/3, so 54 over 3 times 2/3 minus 1 cubed. So look, that's 2 minus 1, which is 1 cubed is 1, so 54 is a positive, right? So what did I tell you? If it is a positive, it's local minimum. So all you have to say is at x equals 2/3, local minimum, right? Now let's check when x is 0. So when I plug 0 into this is one of the answers. When I plug 0 into that, what do I get? 54 over minus 1 cubed, which is minus 1, which comes out negative 54, which is negative, isn't it? And hence that is local max. So you have to say at x equals 0, that is local maximum. Okay? Alright. Okay, I will see you next time. 안녕.